inheritance in Java. Let's start with what is contentment and what is inheritance. I will explain both concept. Let's start with what is contentment. Contentment, it means composition, is a way to design or implement, is has a relationship. Composition and inheritance both are the design technique. The inheritance is used to implement the is a relationship. The composition is a has a relationship is used to ensure the code reusability in our program. In composition, we use an instance of variable that refers to another object. The composition contentment relationship of a two object is possible when one object it contains another object. And the object is fully dependent on it first object. The content object should not exist without the existence of the parent object. In a simple way, we can say technique through which we can describe the reference between for two or more classes. We use the instance of variable which should to created before it use. So then points are in contentment is the composition represent a part of relationship. Both entities are related to each other in contentment. The composition between two entities is done when an object contains a composed object. And then the composed object cannot be exist without another entity. For example, is a university has a college list. Then a college is a whole. The college list are part of the university. If a university is deleted, then all corresponding college for that university should be deleted. So then we create a class college that contains variable that is name, address, contact number, etc. We also create a class university that has a reference to refer list of college. University can have more than one college. So if a university is permanently closed, then all college and university will be closed because college cannot exist within a university. The relationship between the university and college of composition. Next is the inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of an object-oriented programming system. Why use inheritance in Java? First one is the inheritance represent is a relationship which is also known as a parent-child relationship. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overriding. Method overriding is a runtime polymorphism can be achieved. Second one is for code reusability. Then reuse the code. Terms used in inheritance. First one is a class. Second is a subclass, superclass, and reusability. Class is a group of objects which have a common properties. Class is a blueprint for which objects are created. Second is a subclass. It means a child class. Class which inherits the other class. It is also called as derived class. It extends a class or child class. Third one is a superclass. It means parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is called as a base class or a parent class. Next is the reusability. Reusability, as the name specifier, is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the field and methods of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same field and methods already defined in the previous class. Thank you.